You can come down below and select which columns you want to have. And notice that you can bring these down a little bit. So right now in the columns, I can search for data. I can also click down into the sales area and choose one of the drop downs. So I can say invoice, right? Bolded out here, so I can choose invoice. And then invoice, I have the option to choose line items on the invoice. So line order, service date, description. I can show more rate amounts, ledger amount, tax amount, created date, paid date. Okay. Also, you can show linked attributes. So show me things from the account. Pull in line items from the account, which is pretty powerful because then you can pull in things like account subtype, parent account name. We can show things from the split account, right? So on the line item, what is the other side of that line item? We can show product information. And this is pulling from the product list. That's a big deal. Usually when you run a transaction list, you cannot pull from the connected list. But in this, you can. What's the purchase price? What's the quantity on hand? What's the quantity on order? What's the last modified date of this inventory part? Who's the preferred vendor? Right? That's a very big deal that you're able to pull transaction information and list information onto the same report. Now, I'm not going into this as in depth as we could because we're going to have a whole series around how to use this customized reporting. Okay. We also can pull in terms information. I mean, who would have thought that we could pull in day of the month or discount rate? I mean, pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Now, I don't know why you'd ever use that, but it's cool that it's available. Powerful reporting is very cool.